Hi, welcome to HR Crest. This is Sudakshana. How's your career doing? Where are you in your whole career journey? In my book, Your Career Built It Your Way, I have looked at various career case studies and actually looked at analyzing people's careers at different milestones and understanding what makes a successful career person. While there are millions of people who do their jobs, there are only few of them who end up making a successful career out of their profession. So, what sets apart these people who build a career from the ones who actually just end up doing a job? The formula is quite simple. It starts with believing in oneself that yes, I can make a career, and the ability to sustain that belief through different career crises, different difficult periods in one's career. We all live in a realistic world in changing business scenarios where things are changing every few months, and nothing really is guaranteed. So, how can a career be guaranteed? Well, a career can actually be guaranteed. Your career can be guaranteed if you believe that you can build a career that is sustainable, successful, and rewarding. Yes, it is that simple. In my book, Your Career Built It Your Way, I have talked about in details the power of affirmations and how the power of affirmations can help you build a successful career for yourself. To take a look at my book, which can actually contribute in your own career development journey, in your own career advancement in more ways than one, do visit www.careerbuildingguide.com. In my profession as a human resource professional, over the last 15 years, I have actually had a lot of colleagues and professionals who have struggled in their careers at various stages. It's quite natural, it happens to a lot of professionals. But I've outlined the ones who have succeeded, and I've also outlined the ones who have not succeeded in their careers and the reason for their failure in their careers. These can actually help you understand the different career building nuances, what happens in a career journey, and how to handle the career development better. It can also help you widen your perspectives, understand career problems in different manner, and see how you can drive your career better and how not to miss out on opportunities that can actually advance your career by many years. In my book, Your Career Built It Your Way, all these examples are available for you to understand the career building journey a little better. So do visit www.careerbuildingguide.com and take a look at my book. Thank you.